Good morning, everyone. Out here working on another project, and I figured it might be worth sharing with you guys. I know when I was looking for a tractor, one of the things that I was curious about is can you actually use it to dig? So I've got a John Deere 2038R, and I have it set up with one of the 60-inch material buckets with a Piranha tooth bar on there. So I'm out here working on this project, on the pond project. No, I absolutely did not use the tractor to dig this pond. That wouldn't make any sense. It's not very efficient at that. But that being said, I thought it might be worth just doing a quick video to show you guys how well this thing does or does not dig, and let you judge for yourself if it's worth your time and if it might be useful for some of your own projects. So give me a minute and I'll show you. So I guess to answer the question as to whether or not it can dig, you know, I'll just show you some of the work that I did. This is about 45 minutes to an hour worth of work. And if you look at what I'm actually digging out here, it is absolutely 100% rock hard clay. So not the easiest stuff in the world to dig in. I can bring you over here and give you a shot of the hole also. One thing I think it is important to point out, before I started digging, I did actually put up the ROPS just in case, and was wearing my seatbelt. I think that's super important. And when you're digging a hole like this, it is very important that you make sure you are digging downhill, straight, and not on an angle, because that's a good way to accidentally roll over your tractor and get yourself in a bad situation. So when I was digging this area out, which I'm just scooping this out a little bit to make a little bit deeper where the end of the dock is going to be, I was making sure that I was hitting it straight down from this direction, pushing the dirt down towards the pond and grabbing a scoop, and then backing straight back up again. So again, I'll give you a shot of some of the stuff I'm digging out. Not done with the area, but I think this is good enough to give you guys a general idea of whether or not you can dig with this thing. And I'll, you know, let you decide for yourself. But you know, like many things that a compact tractor can do, it is a very versatile tool. It can do a lot of different things, but is it the best at doing these things? Absolutely not. It's good at doing a lot of different things. That's why it is so handy to have in the farmstead. Would I try and dig a pond this size with it? Absolutely not. There's much better, more efficient tools that you can use to dig an area out this big. But for scraping out a small job like this, where I got to spend a couple hours doing it, is it worth it? Sure. I already have the tools, so why not? All right. Appreciate it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and answered a couple of questions as to whether or not you can dig with a John Deere compact tractor, or any compact tractor for that point. You know, I do think it is very important to point out, though, you absolutely could not do this job without some sort of aggressive tooth bar in the front. So, all right, guys. Appreciate it. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.